Viking grave discovery in Sweden leaves archaeologists stunned. What do you know about Vikings, Will?
Nordic
Go on.
folk.
Go on. Go on.
They got steel hats
Go on.
with horns, and
Go on.
they're super strong.
You nailed it, Will. Just when I think I've got you, you just climb right out of it. You say, what, Vikings? No problem. I got it. Vikings have a really cool type of burial, like a very cool funeral.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I kind of want one. Like if I go down, I'll tell you what, I kind of want a Viking funeral. Kirk knows about it. They put you in the boat because, you know, they were on the sea a lot. They dominated. So they put you on the boat, Will. Put it out to sea. There's like rocks on it. Something. And then they burn it with the arrow.
Oh.
They the flaming arrow. The boat is gone. It's burning. You go off in the distance like a hero, man. Come on. Don't you want that? How cool is that? You don't want that, Will? You just
No. It sounds really cool. I'm trying to paint a picture.
Just put it in your will, and I'll make sure it happens. Okay.
Yeah.
You want that too? Oh wait, put it in there. Yeah, see what I mean, man? It's cool. I mean, I'm not saying we need to do it anytime soon. I'm just saying, as far as a way to go, like that's a send off. So anyhow, that was common practice back then, particularly for important citizens, important members of the group would get these types of elaborate burials. But I like it because it's like environmental too. You imagine seeing like a flaming boat in the distance, whew, and knowing your brother's on there. Well, not your brother specifically, but you know what I mean. Your brother in arms is on there. What a moment as a group. So anyhow, they found a new Viking boat grave, and it was just a routine dig. Where was it? It's in north of Stockholm, 46 miles north of Stockholm. And they were shocked to unearth this Viking boat grave. They found some various material. One of the interesting things that they found there, a comb, an ornate comb. You know, like comb for your hair?
Oh, for your beard, yeah.
Or for your beard. You picture a Viking with a beard, don't
exactly.
you? So do I.
Yeah.
So do I. All Vikings have beards in my head. And so, yeah, I mean, what a cool job being an archaeologist. If I didn't do this, that's what I would do. I would quit, and that's what I would do. Because this stuff to me is, I mean, like, look at the preservation on it.
That's the comb, right?
That's the comb. Look at the preservation on it. You're talking about many, many years ago. They haven't had an excavation like this in that region in over 50 years. And they believe that the area was an important religious, economic, and political settlement as far back as the 3rd century. So it's rich in historic remains. So anyway, there you go. A little history for you, Will. Got to let the people know about the Vikings. Yeah. They were out there conquering. And because of that, they got the coolest burials. And also, I guess because of those burials, ended up with some decent preservation of remains, in this case, in Sweden. How about that? There you go. That's how I picture a Viking. I don't know. It could be, is it wrong? I don't know. I'm sure when they did the TV show, they had to like at least have some, use some historic data to reflect the costume. They would have the helmets and the weapons. So imagine this dude coming into your town.
Oh, holding a battle axe?
Kirk, what are you going to do, man? No, you're done. I got the baseball bat. No. You might as well go crawl into your canoe grave. Just lay the boat? Right away. Yeah, right away. What, like hand over an arrow? Just lay it myself. Yeah. That's what you got to do. I remember this dude. He was the real Viking. The Mountain, right?
Yeah.
Is that his name? Yeah. Is he Game of Thrones?
That's not his real name.
No, I know in the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. I saw this guy trying to fight Conor McGregor back pre-Floyd Mayweather. Speaking of Floyd Mayweather, he got crossed over.
He got wobbly knees.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Jack would like that. Yeah. Jack's a big McGregor fan. What's going on? Is he going to fight again? Nah, probably not. Yeah, Jack's got no news for us. He's our insider in that department. Anyway, Will, were you just trying to get Game of Thrones in here somehow again? They're coming out with the new Game of Thrones, and I was like, Willie, dude, they got a prequel thing going on. You gonna watch it? He's like, no, get it away from me. I was like, what? I thought you were a fan. I feel like Game of Thrones people, they're just done. It was just enough already, I guess. But there's probably people in the audience that they can't wait for the prequel. 100 Kingdoms. 100 Kingdoms. Well, you can't. You never run out with this stuff.
Yeah,
It
with
goes on and on.
fantasy, it just keeps going.
It goes on. If you got fans, why not? Keep going. That's what people are looking for. They want prequels. They want kingdoms. They want Starks. Go for it. Why not? HBO, they got to figure something out, right? And what are people supposed to...
Yeah.
How do you replace Game of Thrones? They maybe never will. They maybe never will.